Combat noise for soldiers in training or fighting on the front lines on the ground, at sea, and in the air is a hazard. To protect their hearing, between 2003 and 2015, the U.S. government issued these dual-ended combat arms earplugs made by 3M. But hundreds of soldiers say they didn't work, and they're paying the price.
I mean, they were supposed to seal. Well, the veteran thought they were sealed. It created the illusion that they were seating fine in the ear when in reality they weren't.
Attorney Jay Miller works for the Peter Angelos law firm. It filed its first lawsuit against 3M in February.
We represent hundreds of veterans who have been traumatized for life. They have permanent damage from hearing loss.
The individual lawsuits come after 3M agreed to pay the U.S. government $9.1 million to settle a False Claims Act lawsuit. That was last summer. The government claimed 3M knowingly sold the military defective earplugs. There was no determination of liability.
Well, moving on with the
Retired First Sergeant Matt Eversman is not a party to the lawsuits, but has provided some expert advice on hearing loss. He knows what it's like. He constantly has to turn up the television to hear it. The decorated war hero was portrayed by Josh Hartnett in the 2001 film Black Hawk Down. The Battle of Mogadishu, Somalia on October 3rd, 1993, is where Eversman says he lost 60% of his hearing. As a result, he wears hearing aids in both ears.
Helicopters down, we gotta go protect them, that's it.
Eversman is also a motivational speaker and advocates for veterans on the issue of hearing loss.
The battlefield's a loud place. It's a loud place to work. You know, gunfire is loud, machine gun fire is loud, bombs are loud, mortars are loud, IEDs are loud, to the point where, you know, your molars will shake at the sounds that you experience on the battlefield.
The lawsuits allege 3M knew the earplugs were defective when it sold them. We contacted 3M. Its response: 3M has great respect for the brave men and women who protect us around the world, and their safety is our priority. We deny this product was defectively designed and will defend against the allegations in these lawsuits through the legal process. Soldiers report hearing loss and tinnitus as well.
So what does that ringing in the ears sound like?
It's this constant, just annoying, like bad staticky radio turned up really, really loud on both sides of your head.
It's coming in from out here, but it's down there where the damage is occurring.
Dr. David Eisenman is talking about the area that houses the cochlea, the essential organ for hearing. He says the damage is not always evident right away and can initially be silent.
Years down the line, there are changes that were initiated by that first bout of noise damage that will then create a progressive loss where you just have difficulty understanding people.
Eversman says he too was given the 3M earplugs during service between 2006 and 2007. But since his hearing was already damaged in 1993, he felt there was no point in suing, but important to encourage others to get involved.
If they wore these defective hearing protection, they should throw their name in this hat and have it investigated, because all you're going to get from the Veterans Administration at best is going to be new hearing aids.
For the 11 News I-Team, I'm Lisa Robinson.
Gosh, so eye-opening and concerning, too.
Absolutely.
Lisa, thank you for bringing that to us. By the way, 3M discontinued those Combat Arms Earplugs version 2 product in 2015.